Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. Today I've been blessed with to share something extremely special to me. My name is Kornia Bapari and I'm an ex-student of Assembly of Angels Secondary School who has called this place her home for more than 13 years now, right from the age of 4 till I took my ICSE in 2013. This is a place that had taught me crucial skills to lead life ahead through the constant support and help from my teachers, principal ma'am and sir of course. Thereafter, I took my higher secondary board examinations in 2015, following which I studied my dream subject, aerospace engineering, from Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology, that is IST Shibpur, also known as BE College. Currently, I'm pursuing my master's in aerospace propulsion from Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, that is IIT Bombay. Whatever little I have achieved in life, my school has a huge role to play in it. I still follow my school's motto, aiming for the best in every aspect of life. On the eve of celebration of Silver Jubilee, I feel extremely proud to say that my school has again been awarded the Telegraph School Awards for Excellence in Eco-Friendly Initiative. I remember receiving the same award years ago, along with Principal Ma'am, Sir, and my fellow schoolmates. I have been blessed to grow up among such greenery and having spent my childhood so close to nature. I express my heartfelt gratitude to my school, to my compassionate teachers, to Principal Ma'am and Sir for shaping me into the human being I am today, giving me lifelong friends and memories that I can cherish forever. Thank you.